A couple upgrades that I wanted done on this mast since it's down, and this is the easy time to do it. There was an incandescent anchor light. All boats are supposed to have an anchor light on them, so if you're anchoring, you know that it's anchored. So it was a light here, and it's all around white light or clear light, and the bulb failed. So I had this one installed. It's a HellaVa light, and this has a combination of a tri-light, so it has a red and green light on it. So that's your navigation piece, but it also has on the top, it has the all-around anchor light, and it's LED, and I went with HellaVa because when I first bought the boat, I put HellaVa navigation lights on my bow, and they're rock steady. They're rock steady. They're just perfect. They're great. They're really, really bright. So I wanted to go with that product again.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.